4 ways to start email marketing. First off, you need to determine how to get or collect the email addresses you intend sending to. And you can do that in the form of creating lead magnets, like an ebook or something valuable that can get people to provide you with their emails. Two, you need to choose your email marketing platform. We have a lot of email marketing platforms available. Examples are ActiveCampaign, MailChimp, Zoho, and another few. So you need to decide the one that will be convenient for you. Three, you will need to create your email design templates. So how do you want your email to look like? You need to plan and create it using the email marketing platforms available. Fourth, you need to create an email marketing funnel. Right from the time people get to click on your mails to the time they get to leave, you need to create messages that would help people be on a journey with your email marketing campaigns. Subscribe to learn more about email marketing and its benefits.